Hey up everyone, this is a short section of a long ride that me and a few friends did one day. We joined each other in North Derbyshire, but some of the riders had already ridden from as far as York and the Lincolnshire Wolds by that point. I was on the 650 v-strom, and from memory there was a later Series 2 650 v-strom, a Tiger 800, a Kachiva Navigator and others. If enough people like it, then I'll look at doing a series of best motorcycle roads, all done from roads I've actually ridden myself. So let me know in the comments and by hitting the like button if you want more. We set off west but cut south of Macclesfield towards Congleton and across Staffordshire, and then south of Chester towards Wrexham. That was the fast part of the journey. I was heading to a place called Minerva, and a road that I only know as the Road to World's End. That will feature in another one of this series, but for now we're past Minerva and the old mines, cutting south towards Llangollen. We went up to the Ponderosa for lunch before heading south again to Glencerrig. We kept the simple tracks all the way from Clanfraid-Gerainion before turning back east towards Montgomery and Bishop's Castle, before we reached this road in one of my all-time favourite areas, the Long Mynd, or the Sleeping Dragon as it's known. The Sleeping Dragon is a high bluff that sticks up between the modern border of Wales and what was once the old border. It's crisscrossed with old cart tracks and is very steep-sided with a gliding club on top. From Bishop's Castle we rode down to Asterton and up the road called the Port Way, then over Boiling Well before dropping down again into the back of Church Stretton. This is the route from the gliding club above Asterton to Church Stretton across the back of the Long Mynd. It isn't a long road and this is real time, but you could spend days exploring all the lanes up there. We've been riding over 5 hours at this point, and all had over 2 hours more riding before we got home, so we began the journey back via Much Wenlock and the A38. We were all tired, so it was as simple as take the fastest route home. Here is a map of the route, but in some of the sections below Llangollen I was just winging it. If I saw a road I liked, I just followed it as long as it was vaguely in the right direction. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you aren't already, I hope you'll join us and subscribe. Why not take a look around the website? You'll find the best biker t-shirts in the shop, and we do plenty of custom work too. You can even have your own motorcycle printed on any t-shirt or other product you want. There are always even more printed products in the Redbubble shop too. Mugs, hats, wall art, sweatshirts, phone cases and more. Over 60 different products and hundreds of designs with great quality printing, all delivered worldwide. I do try and put promo codes in the community page for discounts when I can, so it's always worth checking in case there's a big discount on. The blog also has loads of articles about all sorts, from maintenance tricks to stories from ride outs, track days and other adventures. Do subscribe to the backup channel linked below in the description too. Have a fantastic day, and remember, keep your spanners close and your keys even closer. Ride free everyone.